super duper oily. Oh my god, ew.
If you want to try it yourself, are you really putting spray on your face? I'm using a beauty blender lightly to...
Wait, you need to subscribe so you can see when I drop these new.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is currently like 7:10 in the morning and I'm getting ready for work. But I wanted to come to you with the new Colourpop No Filter Foundation Stick and do a wear test all day. Like, I'm a teacher, I'm gonna be at work all day. So, I'll probably get back home. I have to go to the dentist today, so I'll probably get home about 6:37. So, we'll definitely see. I've already prepped and primed my face because I'm nervous because she gets oily. So, we're just gonna get into this. I got it in the color Dark 175W, so hopefully it matches and I don't have to manipulate, it won't focus. It comes in this tube and it has 0.34 ounces, so 9.5 grams. It's a lid. This is a lid, honey. This is the same color that I got in the liquid, and I ain't really a big fan of the liquid, but this was only $10, Colourpop, and let's just get into it. Y'all, this color is scaring me. It is really red. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, Jesus. I'm scared, guys. I never use a stick foundation, so comment down below if I'm using this wrong. This is scaring me. What am I supposed to put this out with? I have no idea with it.
I'm using a beauty blender lately to blend in my makeup. Y'all, how do I blend these? Okay, that's not working. Let me try my Sigma brush. I don't know. Am I supposed to wet it, guys? I can't get this to blend and I ain't got time. I don't have time. Am I doing this right? I'm looking, it's like, oh God, this is, y'all, my kids will fire me up if I'm looking crazy, okay? They will be like, Miss Gaines. Okay, just no. I'm not looking a full face, but
so this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna blend it out. My face is like breaking out on one side. I don't know how I feel.
I feel like it looks good on camera and far away, but then when I look in here, I'm not getting, I'm getting, it is like a natural skin finish. I'll be right.
I've gotten my eyebrows arched like 3 times in my whole life, like 3 times. I've never, like, so I'm just gonna take, I have to line my lips with gumbo from Colourpop. While I kind of let this marinate, I am kind of gonna go in and use my Sasha Buttercup and just kind of place that under my eye. Y'all see how it like sits? I'm gonna put it though. Like, I get really oily in this area, so I'm gonna make sure. I need some more Laura Mercier. That's usually what I set my face with. But I'm not gonna let this sit on long. Take, what is it? a beach cosmetic for your level brush. I'm just gonna I'm not trying to bake. I just want it. My nose is getting dry. So I'm gonna say quickie. I'm just gonna pop that. And then, well, it's probably into top it. I'm gonna use dripping. This is the gloss. Because my other one is in the car. Was ever on this. I use this to highlight. We just use what's ever on it. I'm not trying to glow, but we can put a little bit and last but not least, I'm going to take my eyeliner spray and just put this on my face. And this is what it looks like. Quick. This is what I do. If you aren't drowning yourself, are you really putting spray on your face? Okay. We'll see how this holds up. $10. I had to buy it because I love everything color. I love Colourpop. So I will come back to you guys when I get off work and I get home. I don't blot during the day or anything like that. The most I do is like this. So we will definitely see how oily I am. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be oily. Woo! Okay. See y'all later.
So it's about 10:36 and my kids are at planning, but I have some oil starting to build up, guys. I have oil. Oh my gosh, I don't know how I'm gonna look by the end of the day. This is in natural lighting. You can see like oil all around me, but like, ugh. Okay, I'll check in later. Okay guys, so it is like 6:30 and I'm just getting home. Went to work and then went to the dentist. Okay, so as you can see, very oily. I don't know if y'all can tell. Super duper oily. Oh my god, ew. Like, it just looks a mess. So I've had this foundation on, this one right here, for about 11 hours. And I prepped and primed my face and set my face. Like, I look like I'm trying to let my soul glow. Like, look at my pores. Look at my nose. I started oiling at like 3 hours. Okay, so I have a napkin. I'm just gonna blot. I haven't blotted all day and it's been annoying me. I have been wanting to blot all day, like ever since 10 a.m. Like I just felt the oiliness in this area. So nothing's on this napkin. I'm not trying to play him. So I'm just gonna start blotting. Excuse my nails. Ooh. I've been waiting to do this. So, not a lot of, you can't even tell, but I have makeup on my hand. I did this number because I have a headache and I need a nap before I do my homework. Whew. So it's a good for $10. Like, it's a good little skin finish. I think like I would just wear it like during days where I know I'm not gonna keep it on for long, like maybe like something real quick, or maybe I need to really like do a full face, like do concealer. I don't know. But like I said, after 3 hours, I just felt like I want to blot so bad, and I just did it. I really wanted to go all day, which I did, like 11 hours. I put the makeup on at like 7:30 this morning. And so, yeah, I mean, Colourpop, that's kind of how I feel about the liquid when it was like, it's not a long wear and you get oily really quick. And I get oily all up in here. As you can see, it's all on my hand. So, I mean, it's good to have in your collection. Like I said, it's not something I would probably use every day, but it's cool. I'm actually, what I'm trying to blot out, I'm about to take a nap. I got a lot of homework to do, but I need a nap first because I have a headache and I'm tired. I am tired, guys. Like, tired. Okay? So I'm gonna take a nap. Over and out. Over and out. Okay? Make sure you hit that bell button so you know when I drop videos, because if you follow me but you never check your YouTube, how do you know I dropped a video? You only know if you follow me and you hit that bell button, that you like and you share my video, okay? I still stand for Colourpop, okay? And speaking of, last but not least, I ordered when they had the little $1.48 eyeshadows, I ordered 24 of them, of course, and I have swatches on my Instagram. If y'all want me to put the swatches in a video, just let me know down below. Comment down below. Comment down below. Okay, I'm sorry. Good night. Take a nap. It's like 6:30 and I'm about to take a nap.